video. Y'all already read that title. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what y'all come to when y'all get to these videos. Today we're doing soda pop slime. Y'all didn't see us.
Can you eat this? Can you eat this?
Hopefully. I think it's supposed to be edible, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to be edible or not.
No.
Oh, it said taste safe. It said taste safe.
I bet.
Okay, so today we're gonna make this slime. You know, we really don't know what we kind of doing. We ain't got no measuring cups, core compartment. No, we ain't got no measuring cups in their house, but we gonna bootleg it. So today our ingredients is strawberry crush. We got 1 cup of warm water, and then we have this stuff. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna try to pronounce it. Let me try to read it for y'all. Metal. I'm gonna just say it's metal. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna follow that. And we got a little cup of that because Eric got the whole big thing. So y'all hers gonna look all professional because she got the real stuff. But we got ours in the cup. So today we're gonna use the strawberry flavored crush. What you're gonna need. So they first put 1 tablespoon of metal soup in a mixing bowl. Don't judge me if I'm saying this wrong, but it don't matter. So is that 1 teaspoon? I hope. Okay, so then you get 1 cup of warm water. Tell me what is 1 cup. I don't really know what 1 cup look like. All right, we're gonna say that's 1 cup. All right, so then you stir it, babe. Go ahead, stir it.
I'm gonna mix it up.
I'm gonna
try.
Okay,
I'm gonna whip it up, trap it out the bando. I'm gonna whip it up, trap it out the bando. Whip it up, though.
Whip it. Whipping these nuts. Whipping these nuts. And then they said, oh, this is like orange. Is it getting thick, babe? Is it getting thick? Is it getting thick? Everybody up here talking. Hey, yeah. I'm sorry. Look at them. We making slime in this thing. We making slime in this thing. Y'all made yours already? Yes, ma'am. Wow, that's fast. Okay, so now we put 1 packet of the stuff in here. Hey!
Oh, I'm gonna whip it up like I never whipped it.
Hey, be quiet. Disrespectful.
And what else?
So we whipping it up. Oh, it's like it's getting thick though. I want to taste it. They taste it. It smells good.
I'm gonna whip it up like I
Okay, and so after you put it in the thing.
I got it, babe. I'm gonna whip it.
Warm water. Look, it's getting thick, babe.
I'm gonna whip it up like
I think it's getting thick because
I'm gonna whip it up because I never whipped before.
Because I put this water kind of in the microwave.
I'm gonna whip
Let
it
me put a
up.
little bit more water now. You think we need a little bit more?
I'm gonna whip it up.
All right, y'all. So
yeah, I'm gonna whip it up.
with that being
like
said, they said place mixing bowl in microwave for 2 minutes. Mixture should be bubbling at the end of 2 minutes. Stir quickly. So we're gonna go place this in the microwave and then Splain will come talk to y'all, babe. Talk to them while I go put it in the bowl. Talk to them while I go mix it. Come on, you got to mix it. I'm gonna go put this, babe. Talk to them.
I'm gonna whip it up like I never whipped before. I done got my views up on my shirt. Eat the snake on my deucer. Tell it who's get out my way before I move up. Yeah, before I move up. Come on, sing with me. I'm like Nique, got a hand me crown, don't do hand me down. Money talk, who be laughing now? Drop your pennies down. He want beef, got a lot of smoke. I'm an addict now. Ain't no acting, but I keep a cannon. I'm the cannon now. Hold on, wait, whoa. Come move with the movement. Who a young nigga fooling. Pick a ring, steady jewelry. Bad bed power ruin. No clowns over here. This ain't no amusement. Y'all diamond pick a children. Hold up, wait, whoa. New freezer, I'm a Nique. Hey, sis, you can't touch this. Hey, thought nigga, stay in line. Hey, real nigga, really run this. Hey, quick to my be the game. Really all gang shit, nigga. Read that like a book, nigga. Klaus didn't get to, nigga. Wait, oh, wait. What am I saying? Stay focused. Hey, quarter my race to the bag. Hey, 200,000 on the jag. Hey, nigga better do the math on that. Nigga better do the math on that. Hold on, wait. I was cruising down the street. 4 deep. Got a chopper and I let that bitch be grata. One nigga pocket fat so deep. Hey, no TLC, so don't make a nigga creep. Hey, I saw him want to hold down the ring, okay. Magic Johnson with the shot, don't play with me. Hey, young nigga, I'm an astronaut P. Hey, make 10 bands. Oh, hey, make a pussy nigga move off of me. Rapping in the bling, 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 bling.
Our competition, you know, if y'all watched the beginning of that video, our competition think they doing something in the background, but you know we're gonna come with the win. Damn it.
Boom! We gonna come with the win-win, man. So make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press that notification bell, man. I love every single one of y'all. I got to sit here and entertain y'all. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna admit it. Waiting on the slime to come. You know what I'm saying? How is your day, man? Go in the comments right now and spam them comments. Let me know how your day is going.
Alright, y'all. So it really said that we gotta place them. We place it up in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then we gotta take it out, mix it, and then place it back up in there for 1 minute. But it looks like it's getting all slimy right now. So we basically just let it sit right there and get it cool for 15 minutes. Let that cool. Ooh, we already got some slime. Let me see if it's hot.
Yeah, that shit hot.
Taste it, babe.
Look at y'all.
Taste it, babe.
We good.
Yeah, that way we make it slime. The real slime. Taste it. Don't just eat a scoop, but like lick it. Lick the spoon.
Y'all nigga Eric got a whole bunch of water in this
Alright, y'all, so our slime looking pretty good. We really supposed to put it in the microwave for longer, but what you think, babe? We should just let it sit.
I just stay let it sit.
Let it sit. We were supposed to put it up in there for like a total of 5 minutes. But I think it's looking pretty good right now. So we're gonna let it sit over there. Let me touch it. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it is hot. We gonna go check on everybody else's slime while our slime sit. And you know,
Yeah, real slime. How y'all feeling over there?
hey, we feel good. We got slime, nigga. What you talking
I've
about?
been there, slime. Y'all just got it.
Nigga, your slime the wrong way because they say you gotta put it in the microwave. You didn't put your stuff in the
So, man,
microwave.
I'm going to microwave.
Alright, go microwave it then. Go microwave it then. Look at that, y'all. Imagine when that cool off, we gonna let that cool off, babe.
Slime!
We got tasteable slime.
We got tasteable slime.
Taste like strawberries.
Taste like strawberry.
I wanna sit it in the refrigerator so it can speed up the time. What you think?
Good.
King,
It's time to judge.
look at
Carmen
that.
No left out.
Ray and Ken, Austin, DC, and Ari. So I need y'all to,
Look at all
so I need y'all to comment below.
I want
which
everybody to
one
know this one is
looks
mine.
better.
Let me-
I want to see everybody pick up their slime
Let me
just
show
one
you.
time.
Slime.
Pick it. No, honey. Pick
She
it
just
up.
wanna play with
It's
it.
real slime right here, baby.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh,
Okay, Carmen,
we got
go.
ours right here. See?
Why it ain't sticking
Drink
though?
You pick it up, please.
Can I pick it up? Babe, hold on.
Hold it, babe.
Can you pick that up for
Put
me?
it back down,
Go
put it
ahead, pick
We ain't
that
gotta
up.
prove it. We ain't gotta prove
Just
it.
pick it up for me. Okay, I just want to make
Yeah,
sure there's
that
no
is
residue.
mine.
This real slime.
It's a lot of
right
residue in the
No,
bottle.
not mine. How you can see it. You can see it.
It's residue in
Okay,
there.
my
No,
turn.
it's not like yours.
Not as much residue.
Not yours, much residue is. Babe!
You see what's going
I
on,
was eating
man.
You
Starburst.
supposed to be recording me.
Okay,
Not
now
you.
Austin,
I'm gonna get back
pick it
straight.
up.
He's selfish with a camera too.
Okay,
Go
now
ahead.
and
You
DC.
see what's going on.
Let me
Let's
see
go.
it.
Y'all
Babe,
see this?
babe.
This my heartbeat.
Not as
That
much
bit
residue.
dark and nasty.
That's how your heart beats.
Okay, I feel
Off
like,
to the floor
I feel
then.
like
Now look.
I see some high contestants. I
High
see.
contestants.
Yeah. Okay. So guess what?
You feel? That's why I don't even got no elasticity.
Alright, babe. This is good.
No, wait.
Get in.
Aries, you gotta pick out
I thought
yours.
that was soap.
Aries, you gotta pick out yours.
Go pick up your slime, Eric.
Here you go. Go, yup. You don't think you be thinking you might honey. Yup.
What the fuck is going, bro?
That's your slime. Okay, you working with slime.
Okay.
Okay.
I would pop it. He
No, that's me.
Everybody's slime horrible except for ours.
Yeah.
This dumb man's gonna fall out. He gonna fall out, man.
Well, I'll thumbnail that, babe.
Come on, baby.
You got spit coming out that thing and everything.
Well, y'all know, man. Go ahead, comment below right now, man. Who y'all think won, bro? Who got the best slime? Honestly, I think me and Nique got the best slime, you know what I'm saying? No capping and stuff like that. So make sure y'all like the video up, subscribe to this channel, press that notification bell, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I love every single one of y'all, man. You dig what I'm saying? Nothing else, something else. Oh, what else? Let's get straight to a whole nother video, man.